I fortunately I'm a writer, I'm a theater person, I'm a folk singer. So it helped me a lot during my treatment. I always tell to people, even in normal people, not even diagnosed with cancer or whatever, that develop at least one hobby or passion. This hobby develop first hobby, and it will later on it will turn to your passion. Then you might have developed this hobby, and then now it is become your passion, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि पागलपन या जुनून. So that junoon you must develop in whatever field you are working. This is the moment people listen to cancer, and I had lost 3 family members in my family. I was the 4th. So very first thing, if I would also be in their trap, in cancer's trap, then आज मैं आपके साथ बात नहीं कर रही होती. My creativity, my writing skill, my theater skill, my singing skill, it helped me a lot. And during this 1 year my tenure, when doctor has confined me in my home only, home to hospital, hospital to home, I had done several of works. I have written poems, lots of poems, which later on in year 2016 I had made a compilation of those poetry collection, and that I published it, and it was released in Bangalore Poetry Festival also in year 2016. And that time I had made a point that whatever the proceed will come from the book, all proceed will go for the treatment of cancer patients. So this is my first book, Samrat Can. This is bilingual, Hindi and English both. And after that, in 2018 or 19, this another book was published, क्योंकि जिद है, I must. कि ये फाइटिंग की कहानी है, ये फाइटिंग के बाद की कहानी है, कि मैं यहाँ आपके सामने जीती जागती मौजूद हूँ, और अगर मैं उस समय ये नहीं करती तो मेरे लिए वो टाइम वाज वेरी टफ. Because 3 people's burden was in my head, and I had decided कि I will fight till my end, till my last effort, and that is like how I will divert myself. So through I have written poems, I have written many stories, then I have read books a lot in Hindi and English and Mathli, which is my mother tongue. Then I used to make videos. That time on Instagram it was only 15 seconds videos provision was there. Now it is 60 seconds. So that time I used to make 13 to 15 seconds videos and combine and then upload on YouTube. Room theater, and I have started doing room theater at my home only, in my living room only. And now the result of room theater, that each and every entire nation, they had different segment of different name. People have started doing room theater in their different concept, different design, and in that way, what I say, that whoever is there, whatever you want to sing bhajan, you sing bhajan. You want to dance, you want to dance. You want to read, whatever you want to embroider, you want to knit, you want to read, whatever you want to do, but you do, it will help to cure your disease.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos on cancer care.